Do you have bone problems? Weak, fragile, brittle, and painful bones? You probably need vitamin D. Vitamins are substances your body needs for normal growth and development. Vitamin D is important for your body because it helps absorb calcium from your diet. If you get enough calcium through your diet or nutritional supplements, yet don't have enough vitamin D in your body won't be able to reap the benefits of the calcium you ingest. For this reason, people who consume calcium or calcium-rich foods often don't experience any change or beneficial effects. Calcium is one of the main building blocks of bones. A vitamin D deficiency can lead to bone conditions such as osteoporosis and rickets. The beneficial effects of vitamin D are not limited to improving your bones and joints. It also plays a fundamental role in the function of your nerves, muscles, and immune system. Your muscles need it to move. Your nerves need it to carry messages between your brain and body, and your immune system needs vitamin D to fight bacteria and viruses. How do I get vitamin D? You can get vitamin D in 3 ways: through your skin, in your diet, and in supplement form. Your body forms vitamin D naturally after exposure to sunlight. However, too much sun exposure can cause skin aging and skin cancer. On the other hand, in countries in the northern regions of the planet, such as the United States, Canada, and European countries, the incidence of sunlight is lower, making it difficult to obtain vitamin D this way, even more so if you have darker skin. For this reason, many people try to get vitamin D from other, more reliable sources, such as nutritional supplements. Very few foods contain vitamin D naturally. Most people get vitamin D in their diet from fortified foods. These foods can include milk, cereal, and yogurt. Foods that naturally contain vitamin D include egg yolks, saltwater fish, and liver. But they typically don't meet people's daily vitamin D requirements, and in many places, these foods are difficult to obtain, either due to price or availability. Vitamin D is available in nutritional supplements and is also included in many multivitamin supplements. The 2 forms of vitamin D in supplements are D2 and D3. Both types increase vitamin D in your blood, but vitamin D3 can raise it higher and for longer than D2, so consuming vitamin D3 is more advisable. Vitamin D dissolves in fat. You may absorb it better when you take your supplements with a meal or snack that includes some fat. How much vitamin D do I need? The amount of vitamin D you need each day will depend on your age, with higher requirements in children and adolescents during their growth and development, and especially in people over 60 years of age, where bone density begins to decrease and joint wear and tear leads to illness, pain, and bone and joint problems. People who may need extra vitamin D the most are adults over 60 years of age, people with dark skin tones, especially if they live in countries with little sun such as the Nordic countries, Canada, and the United States, people with certain conditions that limit their fat absorption such as Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and ulcerative colitis, and people who are obese or have had gastric bypass surgery. If you liked this important information, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and activate the notification bell so that you never miss out on when I upload a new video and become one of the first 1,000 members of the healthiest community on YouTube.